Are you adventurous? We're going to answer a questionnaire to know that. But first, let's talk a little bit about questionnaires. إيش يعني questionnaire? Questionnaire is a group of questions. طيب، الحلو فيها إنه ما في إجابة خطأ. الإجابة هي اللي بتناسبك، هي الإجابة الصح. يا سلام، كتير إشي حلو. So, now we're going to answer a questionnaire together entitled Are you adventurous? Okay? هلأ بعد كل سؤال رح أعطيكم كل إجابة كم بوينت عليها مشان بالآخر نعرف. طيب, are you ready? Let's start. Okay, so our first question is, do you come to school? Okay, on A, foot, B, by bike, or C, by car, that is that your parents drive you, of course. هلا أنا رح أجاوب هاي الأسئلة من وحي لما أنا كنت بالمدرسة، أوكي؟ هلا أنا كيف كنت أروح المدرسة؟ Oh, the school was very close, so I used to go on foot. This is my answer. إن أنا كنت أروح مشي. Now, what about you? I want you to answer. كنتوا تروحوا على المدرسة مشي ولا بالبسكليت ولا أهليكم اللي كانوا يوصلوكم by car? So, answer. Okay. If your answer is A, you've got 1 point. If your answer is B, you've got 2 points. If your answer is C, you've got 0 points. But it's totally fine. حتى لو إحنا عم ناخد 0 point هذا ما معناه إنه أنت جوابك خطأ. Okay? دايماً تذكر ما في جواب خطأ بالquestionnaire. Okay, now let's move on to the second question. Your idea of a first weekend class is okay. أول عطلة بالدوام. أوف. طيب إيش بدنا نعمل؟ So the options are A, to go to the theater with your friend إذا بتحب المسرح, or to go camping with your friends إذا أنت بتحب التخييم مثلاً, or C, to stay at home and watch television. Okay. هلا I don't know about you but I love theater. كتير بحب أروح أحضر مسرح وهيك بتحمس. So I would definitely choose A لأنه B, camping, تخييم وغابات, it's not my thing. And C, دائما نحضر تلفزيون يا عمي, خلينا نغير صح؟ So my answer is A. Now you answer. Okay. If your answer is A, you've got 1 point. If your answer is B, you've got 2 points. If your answer is C, you've got 0 points. Okay, now moving on to the very last question, which is, it's very exciting. On the way home, you see a person stealing an old lady's handbag. Oof, عم بتشوف حدا حرامي عم يسرق شنطة. شو بتعمل؟ Okay, so do you A, call the police or an adult? Or B, do you walk away? ملناش دخل. Or do you cry thief and run after him? إنك تركض برا حرامي. This is very exciting. طيب أنا بالنسبة إلي I would definitely call the police. هيك رح أعمل, رح أحكي مع الشرطة, ما رح أحكي مع اللي دخل وما رح ألحق الحرامي. لا مش أنا. Okay, now you answer. Okay, let me give you the points. If your answer is A, you've got 1 point. If it's B, you've got 0 points. And if it's C, you've got 2 points. طيب إيش قصة البوينت هاي؟ Okay, هلا أنا جمعت I chose A. جمعت 3 points. So what does that mean? If you have got 5 points or more, this means that you are adventurous وبتحب المغامرة. If you've got 1 to 4 points, this means that you are a reasonable person. يعني أنا مثلاً جمعت 3, so هذا بيعني إنه أنا شخص بفكر بالمنطق وبالعقل. Okay, if you've got 0 points, this means that you are a safe person and you always like to play it safe, which is مش غلط. كتير عادي الواحد يحب دائماً يكون بأمان, وإن شاء الله دائماً كلكم بتكونوا بأمان. I hope you enjoyed this questionnaire and I'll see you again.